that type of survival. You know, they're fighting for survival.
And black people need to understand, white people can never accept integration because it will lead to biological extermination. Now, let me say that one more time. White people would be ridiculous to accept integration with Africans because it will lead to their extermination. Their genotype would be wiped out just through the amalgamation of the two. And I try to get black people to understand this. We don't know why God created the white man. We don't know. I like to find out, but we don't know. In order for him to protect himself, he must keep space between us and him. So in looking out for himself, you have to respect the fact that he wants to be alone, needs to be alone, and must be alone in order to survive. But because of black people's low self-esteem that the white man put in us, we cannot let him be. Wherever he lives, we want to live with him. Well, you know, he has a daughter, we want to marry his daughter. We want to be white so bad, failing to realize he can't let you be, because if he let you in, it will lead to his end. Integration is suicide for white people, and we need to accept it and leave those people alone.